guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at how I make $250 every single day from swing trading stocks. Now, I've been swing trading full-time for about 5 years, and I actually just created a full course breaking down how I find stocks, the psychology behind it, and pretty much my trading strategy. I'll put the course down below, and if you guys want to sign up, you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So I'll put it down below. Check it out. So let's just jump into this one. So before we talk about how I make $250 every single day from swing trading, first we need to understand what is swing trading. Well, in simple terms, swing trading is when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. Now, when you buy and sell a stock during the same trading day, that's considered a day trade. It's a way different strategy, mindset, and honestly, time frame. Now, when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a year. That's a long-term investment. It's a different tax bracket strategy and mindset as well. On average, I do hold my swing trades for about 2 weeks. Now that we kind of understand what swing trading is, now let's talk about how we make that $250 every single day. Well, the first thing that you guys are going to need is a stock broker. A stock broker is going to allow you to buy and sell different stocks. Now, the broker that I highly recommend and the broker that I use is Moomoo. It's fantastic. They have great charting, they have great studies, they have a free scanner on it, so when you are searching for opportunity, searching for stock, you guys can plug in your criteria and it'll give you a whole list of stocks that meet it. But by far the biggest reason I love Moomoo is something called paper trading. Paper trading is just simulated trading, so you can work on and develop that strategy. And the reason why this is so important is because swing trading is a career, and the best mindset and approach you have to have with it is how long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes years of practice, hard work, education, and swing trading is the exact same thing. There's a common expression in the swing trading community called the more you learn, the more you earn. And it's completely true. With swing trading, practice, 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 and education, education, education. And that's why my course is fantastic and I'll cut down on that time. But by far, swing trading, the biggest thing that you need to do is start paper trading. I would recommend doing this for anywhere from 6 months to a year. The reason why I say that long is because I want you guys to know how to swing trade in every single market type. To be able to swing trade when the stock market's going down or up or consolidating, you need to be a master with your trades. All right, so now that we kind of have a good idea of the broker to use and some little tips and tricks for swing trading, now let's talk about how we make that money. So let's actually break down a swing trade that I recently was just in. And this one here was with Google. Now you may notice that we drew out this line near and around $88 a share. Now you guys will notice every time it hits that price, we have a tendency of getting buying pressure. So what I did is I set a limit order at $88. Now as the stock price fell, hit $88 on that support, I realized this was a fantastic opportunity on that support, so I set my stop loss near and around about $85. So meaning I am risking about $3 because I bought in at 88, my stop loss is at 85, so I'm risking $3 to possibly have the stock squeeze up to the nearest resistance. And the nearest resistance is at $102, and that's where I decided to sell at that resistance. But you may be saying, Carter, the stock actually squeezed up even higher. So I did miss out on some more money, but the biggest thing with swing trading is I've never lost money taking profit. For me, this represented a great time to sell it because it was on recent resistance. And yes, I could have made more money, but it's always better to just stick to your strategy rather than go out of it to try to make more money. And honestly, I go through a whole bunch of different scanners to look for opportunities of stocks that have sold off down to a support line. Here's one that I've been looking at recently with Disney. Now you guys will notice Disney has this beautiful upward trend, but looking at that 90 moving average line, which that line right below the chart, part, you guys will notice that every single time it hits it, we get a tendency of getting buying pressure near and around that price. So right now Disney is trading for about $82 a share, where this could represent a good opportunity to possibly hop in on Disney stock and swing trade this on a support and possibly sell it at resistance. Now with Disney stock, the nearest resistance is near and around $140. So right now the stock price is about $82 a share. I could set my stop loss pretty much at about $70, possibly risking $12 to make over $50, which is an absolute beautiful risk and reward. You always want to have a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 risk and reward ratio, so you could be virtually wrong once, twice, or even 3 times and still make money. That's the great thing about understanding risk management. So guys, this is how I make $250 per day just from swing trading these companies. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.